Title insurance protects your property against defects that don't show up on the title search, but could affect your ownership of your new home. Examples of this could be fraudulent deeds, missing heirs, missing spouses, etc. When you take out a mortgage, one part of your closing cost will be title insurance. The premium is a one-time charge, with the lender policy protecting the lender and the owner's policy protecting the buyer. I'm real estate attorney Scott Harper with Bluegrass Land Title, and here's what you need to know about title insurance, what it covers, and whether you should buy it. Title insurance is a policy that covers third-party claims on a property that don't show up in the initial title search and arise after a real estate closing. A title claim could arise at any time, even after you've owned the property with no problems for many years. How does this happen? Someone else might have ownership rights that you don't know about when you make an offer to buy a property. Even the current owner might not be aware that someone else has a claim on the property. In the case of an overlooked heir, even the person who has those rights might not know that they have them. Before your loan closes, your mortgage lender will order a title search from a title company. The title company searches the public records for deeds, mortgages, divorce decrees, court judgments, tax records, child support orders, all related to your home to try to find any title defects that could affect the lender's or the buyer's property rights. Those could include liens. These get placed on the property by a contractor, tax authority, or lender who hasn't been paid. Easements. These grant someone else the right to use your property even though you are the owner. Encumbrances. These include liens as well as easements, but also include zoning laws, restrictive covenants imposed by homeowners associations, and leaseholder rights. What issues can title insurance protect you against? The following are some of the issues an owner's title policy can cover: property survey errors, boundary disputes, errors on the property deed, building code violations by a previous owner, conflicting wills, claims by an ex-spouse who didn't sign off on the sale. A popular issue today, forged documents, liens from contractors, taxing entities, or previous lenders, encroachments, improperly recorded documents. So, what are the benefits? An owner's title insurance policy can cover the cost of paying off a previously undiscovered lien or defending against a lawsuit filed against you by someone claiming a right to the property. It can also provide a cash settlement to a new owner who unwittingly purchases a property with a forged deed from a fraudulent seller who did not actually own the property. Furthermore, owner's title insurance protects your ability to sell the home one day if a problem turns up during a later title search. I hope this sheds some light into the importance of obtaining title insurance. And I'll leave you with this. While title insurance companies work hard to prevent claims, if one arises, know that you will be defended by a Fortune 500 company providing you with an attorney who is highly motivated to resolve the issue, doing so in your favor. Thank you.